So today I want to talk about the velocity of packing material as an economic indicator. Now, I buy a huge amount of stuff off of eBay and other websites. I buy a huge amount of repair parts. I buy stuff off of Gunbroker, Amazon. So I get deliveries almost every day. From my standpoint, I utilize a lot of recycled boxes and packing material in my business when I ship things out. Now, what I've noticed in the last 2 months is the marginal shipping materials are coming more and more into use. I received this package today, which is used gun stock. And what you'll notice is people will creatively reuse boxes, which I don't have an issue with. And it is a sign and indicator of the economy because businesses are trying to eke out more and more profit in a hard business environment because the people are just not spending money. And what I've noticed is you get a lot of refitted box material like this. And lately you also get a lot of stuff that is in plastic wrap. So for instance, I bought some used tool material and that stuff was in plastic cases. So what they did is they would just wrap that in Mylar and put a sticker on it, which is fine with me because it saves me money and it saves them money. So the degradation of packing materials, the prevalence in reusing and recycling packing material is a true indicator of the velocity of money in the economy. So what we're seeing now is the economy continues to slow and it's hard to eke out a profit for many businesses due to inflationary pressures and low sales. So as things continue to degrade economically, we will see more and more lower velocity of packing material. And in that, what we're saying is they won't be buying new material and they will continue to recycle and use salvage material to ship things. So please share your thoughts. We'll see you on the next video.